Poison clan technique.
What's going on, YouTube? This is like getting a present on Christmas morning. I have the software notification icon. So I'm going to do this together, see what we got. Of course, we already know what it probably is. Most likely it's version 9. Version 9 here in the GTA. So yeah, let's do this. Let's go for it. Install now. And there's the big tap, right? And here we go. So it's 45 minutes, so we'll check back once it's done and gonna have ourselves version 9 here. So as we wait for this update to load, one thing is, of course, naming your Tesla is a big thing in the community, and I chose
To bring back Voltron, Defender of the Universe.
Voltron, Defenders of the Universe.
Voltron. Voltron was it. So yeah, we'll check back on this update, still going here, and once it's done, we'll have a little bit more in version 9.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the update's done, version 9. So this is like, I guess probably one of the first few version 9 updates happening right now in the GTA. Which is awesome, but you know, everyone's probably going to be getting this very, very soon. But to show you guys, got all the features, a dash cam feature, which is great. Just have to hook that up onto a USB key, name that folder to what the card needs to recognize, and then you'll have pretty much built-in dash cam feature. Application launcher, calendar app, got the energy, the web browser, that will be an interesting one to look at. Climate control has changed a bit. Apparently that screen's gonna be all like 3D and stuff, so that should be cool. Navigation is on the left, which I honestly was starting to get used to having the navigation on the right side, but having on the left side, it just makes sense. It was just kind of awkward when I really got used to it day to day. HOV lanes, yep, definitely will be using that, so that'll be nice. This is a big update by Tesla, and I honestly have to commend Tesla for doing such an update. Coming from, not to name names, I'll name names, Mazda. Updates were pretty much non-existent. You know, you got your firmware updates, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto was promised for years, and it only came now in the 2019 model years, and everyone else that has a Mazda Connect, yeah, pretty much giving you a good old, you know. So yeah, so here's it, version 9. I'm gonna check this out, but yeah, see you guys soon on the next video, version 9.
Poison clan technique.
Oh, that Tesla turret!